Hello everyone, welcome back to Introduction to SPSS, and now we are part 4. Okay, so in your book we are going to do the activity in page number 6. Okay, so page number 6, generate descriptive statistics in a table format. So for version lower than version 18 for SPSS, you will not have this tool. So you can do a correlation analysis instead, which is quite similar. But for version 18 and above, you can do table, custom tables analysis in SPSS. Okay, so let's look at page 6, yeah? So these are the steps that you need to do the custom table analysis. However, I will also guide you to some other additional steps so you can follow using this video, okay, if you are lost. So I'll just minimize this and let's go to our previous data that we have keyed in our previous videos. So now using page 6 as a guideline, okay, and you go to analyze, okay, custom tables, custom table, and just click OK. All right. So since I've done previous analysis, so there's some data there. So I'll just click reset and you should find something like this, which is a clean window. So what you're going to do is to take gender and drag it to rows, okay, and then no to columns, okay. So then you right click at gender, either you right click or you can also use this button here because we want some summary statistics, okay, so you can use both. So you just click there and what we want is here, click row N for the percentage, okay, and then click apply selection. And next one, you go to still in gender, yeah. When you click it, it will be uh, highlighted here, and then click categories, tick here, show total here, and then click apply, and then okay. So now as you can see here, this is the output that we have generated. And from your SPSS book, you can go to page 7 and you can see this is the similar data. This is just the way we presented it because yes is option 1 and no is option 2. But for the example in the book, no is option 2 and yes is no is option 1 and yes is option 2. So that is the only difference here. So how you um, key in the data will determine the output. Okay, so let's go for the second one, still in page 7. So we're going to use this steps here, okay, and we're going to try to generate this table, this output, okay. So let's go to analyze, custom tables, and custom tables, click OK, and just reset because we are going to do a different analysis. So for here, we are going to use gender in columns, just drag, all right. So no anyone in rows and support also in rows, but move it slightly to the right until here, and then you release. And we need some other information. If you look at page 7, we have mean, standard deviation, and we also have total. So for under category here, position, summary statistics, uh, this is column, so leave it be. So for source, we need to change it to rows. So we want this rows as our source. So click the summary statistics and tick custom summary statistics, and we want mean and standard deviation. So click mean, and then also press your control button, and we will choose standard deviation. Okay, and click this arrow so we have both mean and standard deviation here. Apply to selection and click categories and totals. So you tick total and click apply. Okay, so now you can see the total is here, and then there's mean and standard deviation, gender, and so on. Click OK, and now you have it, the custom table, and you can look at your book. It's similar, it's just that the difference is okay, the difference is no is on top and yes is at the bottom, so it's the other way around here. So but the data is the same. Okay, so it's up to you. You can now practice and maybe conduct other analysis using the custom tables. Maybe you want to switch it up. Okay, maybe you want gender to be this side, so it's up to you. You can just reset and maybe just play around, okay, and see how your table will look. And you know, there's no right or wrong, it's just how you want to present it. You can also do different version of it, so play around with it, and we will come back with a different topic on the graphs topic, on how to come up with graphs. Okay, see you later.